te awa pūtahi te maunga, ko tā ure kaitai te awa, ko te paerahi te moana, ko rongo marairoa te marae, ko kere te hapu, ko Ngāti Manuhiri, ko Ngāti Pihere, ko Ngāti Hine te wai, hoki ngā hapu o konei. Born and raised here, and we grew up with a lovely, rich connection to our marae. So we had a lovely foundation growing up with tikanga and kawa. I was put out as a kai karanga for the hapu on the marae when I was 17. And Brother Piri and Uncle Henare Hokianga pulled me over to call on a ope. I thought, well, why don't you get one of them kuia over there? You know, that's what you wanted to say, but you couldn't say those things. Anyway, Piri told me what to say, and away I went, and it just grew from there, those beginnings. And by the time you step out into senior adult life, you've got a confidence. I know my confidence came from my upbringing on the marae. So I went and did the degree in Mātauranga Māori and loved it, because it made sense of everything that I'd learned growing up. It was just like a whole world opened up. And then after getting the degree, we got jobs there as teachers in the Mātauranga Māori department. So you stepped into another level of Mātauranga. And over those years, there were so many women came through and didn't know anything about karanga and wanted to learn. So I had shaped up a program. It was about the fundamental philosophies of being a kai karanga. It was a beautiful journey, you know. Been fabulous being a part of that renaissance and revitalisation. And it's not over, but it's alive and well now.